Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, January the 30th. Hope y'all are enjoying keeping up with the series, even though it's just opening boxes. I want to include some things here and there, but I've been struggling to find time to do that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. It really does mean a lot to us. Everything that I can find that you see will be linked in the description below, so be sure to go click on the links. Like this video if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.